Hi everyone, and welcome to this first exercise video. Today I'm going to show you a few examples of the online exercises I talked about in my last video. There will be 5 tasks and you will see a QR code for each of them. After the tasks, I'm going to show you the answers and go over them quickly. Because this is the first time I'm using these exercises, please let me know in the comments what you think of them. Have fun! Before we start, I'd like to thank the first people who subscribed to my Patreon. So thank you very much, Patricia, Momar, Julie, and Mustafa. It's thanks to you that I was able to subscribe to WordWall and that there will be more exercises like today's in the future. Exercice 1. Wunnen. Wählt die richtige Verbform. Roberta wohnt zu Lissabon. Wohnt because it's the third person singular and zu because it's a city. 2. Den David und ich wohnen an England. Wohnen because den David und ich equals mir, we, and an because England is a country. 3. Wo wohnt dir, Madame Weber? Wohnt because Madame Weber is the third person singular. 4. Ich wohnen an einem Appartement zu Beetebuerg. Wohnen because of ich and zu Beetebuerg, Betambourg, because Beetebuerg is a city. 5. Wohnst du noch beim Pedro? Wohnst because it's du, you, and beim Pedro because it's with Pedro. 6. D'Mama und de Pap wohnen a Frankreich. Wohnen because Mama and the Pap are 2 people and a Frankreich because it's a country. 7. De Carlos wohnt a Spanien zu Barcelona. Wohnt because Carlos is here, he, a Spanien because it's a country and zu Barcelona because it's a city. 8. Ich wohnen santa 2 Jahre zu Lëtzebuerg. Wohnen because it's ich and zu Lëtzebuerg because with Lëtzebuerg we use zu for both the country and the city. Exercice 2. Länder und Städte. Vocabulaire. Wéieng Stad passt bei Wéieng Land. Dänemark, Kopenhagen, Spanien, Madrid, Italien, Rom, Japan, Tokio, Lëtzebuerg, Lëtzebuerg, Iran, Teheran, Deutschland, Berlin, Ukraine, Kiew, China, Peking, Frankreich, Paris, Portugal, Lissabon, Belge, Brüssel. Exercice 3. Hunn a sinn. Fand déi passend purer. 1. Ich sinn. 2. Du hues. 3. Hien ass. 4. Mir hunn. 5. Dir sit. Exercice 4. Vocabulaire. Sicht de Géigendeel. Groß, klein. Aal, neu. Lang, kurz. Schön, allen. Kahl, warm. Interessant, langweilig. Gut, schlecht. Exercice 5. Vocabulaire. Fand die 10 Wörter. On the left, you can see the results, and on the right, a translation of the words. Hund, dog. Cat, cat. Mann, man. Frau, woman. Haus, house. Auto, car. Zug, train. Land, country. Stad, city. Kind, child.